Hi, this is Hari Shukla with Affinity Real Estate. Today I'm here to introduce you to my latest listing, 325 Boulton Street. This home offers 3 bedrooms, a 4-piece bath, a bright spacious living area. The large eat-in kitchen opens to a cheerful living room with a walkout to the front porch, where you can watch the kids play at the park without leaving your home. The main floor also includes 3 well-sized bedrooms, while the lower level offers a cozy rec room with a wood-burning stove. This home features a charming 3-season sunroom, a rear deck, and a generous backyard, perfect for enjoying outdoor living. For more details, call me at 226-243-6971 to book a private tour.